Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer files from PC to iPhone using iTunes. All right, so let's begin with the video. Begin by opening the Start menu on your computer and launching the iTunes application. If iTunes is not already installed on your PC, you can download it for free from the Microsoft Store. Once the app is running, move over to your iPhone and unlock it. After that, open the App Store and tap the search bar. Type in Chrome and search for the Google Chrome app. Make sure Chrome is installed on your iPhone because it will be used during the file transfer process. Next, take a USB-C cable and connect your iPhone to your computer or laptop. If this is the first time you've connected the device, a trust notification should appear on the iPhone screen. Tap Trust this device to continue. After approving the connection, go back to your computer and wait a few moments until the phone icon appears in the top left corner of iTunes. Click on the phone icon to access your device settings. From the menu on the left side, select File Sharing, and then choose Chrome from the list of apps. After that, click the Add File button at the bottom. You can now browse your computer and select the photos, videos, or documents you want to move to your iPhone. In this example, only one image is being uploaded, but you can choose multiple files if needed. Once the files have been added to the Documents section, click the Sync button located near the bottom of the window to begin transferring everything to the device. When the syncing process is complete, return to your iPhone and open the Files app. Tap the navigation option in the top left corner and select On My iPhone. Inside this section, you should see a folder named Chrome. Open that folder and you will find all of the files that were transferred from your computer. You can open and view them directly from there whenever you want. If you would like to save any transferred photos to your iPhone gallery, simply open the image and tap the share icon in the lower right corner. Then select Save Image and the photo will automatically be added to your camera roll. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer files from PC to iPhone using iTunes. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.